you're a Pictory user, have you ever wished that Pictory had the ability to be able to write the content for you just to make your life a little bit easier while creating your videos? Well, in today's video, we have a technique which can help you do that. If you want to learn a little bit more about that, stick around to the end. This technique I'm going to be showing you today is going to speed up your content creation no end. So let's go check it out. Now, for those of you who don't exactly know what Pictory is, it's actually a video creator. Now, it can use stock videos and it can then create the video for you. You can either upload your own voiceovers or you can use their AI generated voiceovers. You can also do articles to videos. You can do script to videos. In other words, have something that's pre-written and add that straight to it. You can have article to videos. You've got editing videos using text. So you upload the video, it'll transcribe it into text, and then you can cut things out and it will also shorten the video. And also here you've got visuals to videos. But the one we're going to be working on today is the script to video. So we're just going to quickly click on that. And while we're waiting for that to open up, what we're going to do is we're going to go over here to one called 𝗪𝗡𝑎𝑖.me. Now this is actually a Chrome extension which is free that you can add to your browser, your Chrome browser. Now it uses ChatGPT, which is fantastic, ChatGPT 3.5, and it allows you to be able to add script to anything you want. Now to be able to access this inside Pictory, what you need to do is hit the Alt button and then J. And what that will do is will open up this area right here. And down the bottom here is where you can put the prompt. Now I already have a prompt pre-written and I'll quickly read out to you what it is. I am creating a video using stock images and videos. Write in detail a video script about how to edit PLR ebooks using AI editors. Write it in a friendly, chatty voice. Mention AI writers like 𝗙𝗶𝗁 and AI ebook creators like Designer. Speak about AI ebook cover makers like Placeit.net to help create the cover for you. Now I'm just going to copy all of that and we're going to place that straight into down here where it says Ask AI. Now remembering that's ChatGPT 3.5. Now we're just going to hit that, and what that will do is it will then create an entire script for you. I'm just going to pause the video while it does that. Okay, we're back. Now if you have a look over here, it's got opening shot, bright and welcoming living room with a laptop on the table. No, or you can do it any way you want. You can have it that you're recording yourself on a laptop on your desk. It's up to you. Or you can just have that as something you can put in as a prompt. Now, I'm just going to copy all of this. Now we're just going to go to the bottom here. And as you can see down the bottom here, it's got copy to clipboard. You've got click on that and all you have to do is place that straight into there. Now, I would highly suggest that you get another text document. And the way you can do that is if you've got one already open, is go over here to File and go to New Window. And that will open up a new one here. Now, I'm just going to go up the top here. It says opening shot, bright and welcoming living room with laptop on table. So let's just copy that. And we're going to place that straight into here because that's a prompt we're going to be using that we can add into Pictory. So I'm just going to add a few lines down here. I'm going to do that a couple of times. Split screen with laptop on side and the respective AI editor interface on the other side. Okay, well that can give us as a hint as to what to do. So we can copy that and we can add that to the text document just here. Now I'm just going to pause the video while I go ahead and do this. Oh, and also another thing you need to do is to remove all the unnecessary words like host. As you can see, it's got host just there, and they are words that are really not necessary. And to avoid doing that, you can actually not tell it it's a script. Remove that. You just can do it without having to worry about it being a script. Just don't say it's a script and it won't add all that to it. Now, I'm just going to get rid of all of these things here and also put all of these other ones into a text document. I'll be right back. Okay, well now that I've finished editing it, what we need to do is I've just removed all the unnecessary words and so forth. So what I'm going to do is just quickly give it a title. How to edit a PLR ebook using AI. That'll do. And then all we need to do is, once it's finished saving, is to hit proceed. And we may as well get rid of this as we don't really need 𝗪𝗡𝑎𝑖.me right this very second. So we'll get rid of that. Then all we need to do is check out the different kind of templates they have and we can choose the one that we use. Now, if you want to be able to see what it looks like, all you have to do is hover over the top and you can see how it ends up covering the screen like that. And as you can see, the words come up. Now, this will have moving images in the background, highly likely. and as you can see in the way in which it creates it. Now, you can pick and choose any one of these templates that you like. So I'm going to choose one which has got a transparent background like that one right there, using the yellow one right there. So we'll just click on that. We'll be choosing 16 by 9. We click on that. We just wait for this to create the scene. So I'm just going to pause the video until then. Actually, while we're waiting for that to come up, what I'm going to strongly suggest you do is to go over to something like 𝗂𝗏, using a screen capture software. Record yourself putting something in here and then paraphrasing it very quickly, just doing that. And you can also speed it up if you wish to. Then you can have that ready to upload onto Pictory when you need it. The same with this one here. The other one we're going to be looking at here is Designer, and you can show yourself using the word genie in Designer to have it write the content for you. And you can also go over here and have a look at the mockup maker, which is called 𝗵𝗂𝗁𝗏, and you can have a think. You can check out the various things like ebook covers and so forth, and the various ones you can choose to create from that. And you can show yourself creating very quickly an ebook cover using 𝗵𝗂𝗁𝗏. Let's go back over here to Pictory and see where it's at. Okay, it's nearly finished, so we're just going to pause the video until it has finished. Okay, we're back. All we need to do now is going to have a look at the various things here and see whether or not you like what you're seeing here. Okay, so we're in the storyboard section. So I'm just going to quickly go here. If you've ever wondered how to transform your ready to go ebooks, then we can just click it right there, and then we can hit split scene. And what that's going to do is it's going to split the scene for us, so as it puts it over 2 pages. And that way you don't have too much text on the screen at any given time. So let's see if we can bring that up a little bit. As you can see, it's gone over a line, so we just need to go up a little bit and take it up, and let's see how that transforms it. Click on this, there we go. It's brought it down a bit more. That makes it nicer. Click on that, and then you can have a look at the various scenes. And if there's a scene you don't particularly like, okay, so for example, this one here, it's kind of pointless having this scene because it's just a full stop. So all you really need to do on this particular scene, find out that it's scene 6, go over here to scene 6, and then all you need to do is bin it. Delete scene. Yes, delete scene. And you can go through and have a look at the various scenes they have here. You may not like the way in which it does this thing. Like for example, this one here, it's very large. You might want to shrink some of the print down so as people can see what's behind it. So you can triple click on this, and you can actually shrink that down by highlighting over the top of it and clicking up here. And then you can make it smaller if you wish to, make it down to say a 30 font, and have a look at that. That takes up way less room on the screen and will be much easier for a person to watch. So another thing you can do is, if you wish to, go here to something like Designer or 𝗂𝗏, as I said before, and literally video record yourself doing these actual things. For example, creating an ebook cover and things like that. Got it. And then basically then you can show them how to do that. Now what you need to do is, if say for example you have a video that you don't like, or something you want to get rid of, like for example this one here, you can go over here to Visuals, click on that. I don't like how it's flashing on and off like that. And then you can go over here to my uploads, and you can upload something into that particular one. Or you can then go over here to go to the library section and choose something completely different, so as it's a different video altogether. Now if you want to drag something of your own in, you can just click on that, and then you can then drag it into there. So I personally don't like that one, so let's have a look at this one, scroll through and find something that's a little bit better. So say something like that, or even something like this. So you can click on that and have it come up on the screen. And it's as simple as that. So as I said, if you're creating something that is actually unique, you can also take a photo of yourself or video record yourself as well. And you can even upload a video recording of yourself speaking on the camera, much like what I'm doing right now. And then you can add that to your Pictory video if you wish to make it more personal. You're speaking and you're addressing your audience. And this way it personalizes it, and it looks a lot better when it comes to creating these type of videos. Now I would highly recommend that you actually remove these after you've recorded it. After you've recorded it, it's very, very simple. All you have to do, if you wish to get rid of that, is click on that, click that, and it will remove the text. As you can see, it just removes the text. If you wish to be able to apply it to all, you can do that, or you can just do it scene by scene, or however you want to do it. you want to put the text back, all you have to do is click on the CC and it puts the text right back where it was. Okay, then if you want to, once you're happy with it, you can also check out the audio if you wish to. And you can record your own voice if you want to as well, which is highly recommended. All you want to do is hit the microphone button just here, and you can record your own voice as you go through and read it out aloud. Or you can upload a voiceover, or you can apply the voiceover that they supply in the AI section. Once you're finished and you're happy with it, you can then download it to wherever you want as an MP4. Alright guys, if you got some value out of this video, how about you smash the like button, as well as subscribe and also hit the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Hey, while you're at it, why not consider sharing, and also leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of this technique to be able to have AI added to Pictory. Also to let you know that right here is a video I believe you might like. Down here is a video YouTube thinks you might like. And right here is an image of my head. Now, if you click on that or poke me in the forehead with your finger, you'll be able to subscribe. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.